Hello dear students, in this video we will see the decision algorithms for context-free languages. Now there are four types of decision algorithms for context-free languages. First algorithm is context-free language which is used to check whether the context-free language is empty. Second, check whether the given language is finite. Third, will check whether the given language is empty. And fourth, will check whether the given language L is infinite. So, algorithm for deciding whether a context-free language L is empty. So, this is one of the decision algorithm for context-free languages which checks whether a language or context-free language is empty. Algorithm for deciding whether a given context-free language L is finite. So, it will check whether the language is finite or not. For this, construct a non-redundant context-free grammar G in CNF generating L minus null. If A produces BC is a production, there are directed edges from A to B and A to C because this A symbol is producing both the symbols B and C. So, if we draw the directed edges from A, we get the edge from A to B and A to C. Third algorithm for deciding whether a regular language is empty. Construct a deterministic finite automata DFA M accepting L. We construct the set of all states reachable from initial state Q0. We find the states which are reachable from Q0 by applying single input symbol. And if there is no input symbol which is reaching from Q0 to any other state, then we can say that it is the empty. Fourth algorithm is for deciding whether a regular language is infinite. Construct a DFA or deterministic finite automata M accepting L. L is infinite if and only if M has cycle. So, if this automata, deterministic finite automata has a cycle, that means if the automata goes into the same state if the string is repeated, then it is the infinite regular language. So, decision algorithms is used to find out whether the language is empty, whether the context-free language is finite, whether the regular language is empty, and whether the regular language is infinite. Now we will see pumping lemma for context-free languages. The pumping lemma for context-free languages gives a method of generating an infinite number of strings from a given sufficiently long string in context-free language. So, if a small string is given, we can generate this string of infinite length by using pumping lemma. It is used to prove that certain languages are not context-free. Let G be a context-free grammar in CNF and T be the derivation tree in G. If length of longest path in T is less than or equal to K, then the yield of T, that is derivation tree, is of length less than or equal to 2 raised to k minus 1. So this is the pumping lemma for context-free languages. Thank you for listening.